Yeah, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with a new episode of Lesson. Okay, happy weekend, guys. For today, I want to come up with the simple series of the pentatonic sequence. I made a video of some pentatonic sequence licks, okay, in my previous video. So, if you've not watched the video, I would like you to go back to the video, okay. You can search it on my video, the pentatonic sequence, okay. There's a pentatonic sequence. You'll see the video there. You can watch the licks, okay, so that you can understand what I'm going to say now, okay. So at first, if this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to click on that subscribe button, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video each and any time I post any video. Guys, I recommend you like my video, drop your comments, okay, whatever is your challenges, I will recommend you drop it on the comment section, okay. It's going to help you and also enhance my playing as well and yours too, so we can work together and understand music itself. So thank you guys for watching once again, and like I said earlier, please like this video. Just like the video, okay, just like the video. I really appreciate seeing your comment. Thank you very much, my guys. So I don't want to waste much of the time. I just want us to go into the lesson of today. Yeah, I'm saying I'm going to do some practical aspect. I'm going to show you some practical aspect on how to apply the pentatonic sequence into your music, okay? Even in your worship section, in your praise, in your high life tune, in your jazz music, okay? How to apply them, okay? But at first, I want you to understand this, because that video that I did it in the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay? I did it in the key of D. This is the key of D. Okay? 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 So, I want you to listen to this video I made. Okay? I want you to listen to this video I made. I apply those pentatonic sequence, pentatonic licks, okay, in most of the part of the song, okay. So I want you to stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, that is one of the pentatonic sequence I showed you. Okay, now why am I playing that? Is I'm playing that in, and now starting from my one note again. Okay, like okay, now playing the song again, now soloing the song again, and I'm coming in. Now, what I'm trying to do there is I'm bringing the one chord, okay, into a sequence, okay, bringing the one chord into a sequence, like a kind of a reeves, okay, okay. Okay, that pentatonic I show you. Then the other one I now play. Okay. The second one I showed you. Okay. 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 The second one I showed you there. Okay. And I'm playing it. Okay. 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 Now this is the re, I'm playing it there, but I play it in another octave here, because this is the, okay, so I'm now playing re do, okay, re do la, do ti so, okay. Okay, so that is just this pentatonic sequence I showed you, and how to apply it. Okay, you apply them when you are going to your when you're starting your notes again. Okay, like when you are going to the root note, or when you're starting the song again. Okay, like I played earlier. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, and I play this one. Okay. Okay, so guys, really if you understand this video, just let me understand you in the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna break it down again, but I believe with the best of mind, this will be able to, you know, help you and enhance your playing so far. Okay. But just watch the video very careful and listen to the way I apply my pentatonic, okay? I promise you, you're gonna become, or you're gonna be a great guitarist, okay? From now on forward. So thanks guys for watching once again. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. Hit the likes button, okay? Hit the like button, drop a comment below. I really appreciate it, okay? Thanks guys for watching. Bye for now.